Good afternoon from Hackensack. So today we're making some pasta with 4 fish. This is a pound of butterfly pasta, farfalle, and it's got a few minutes to go in the hot water with some olive oil to keep it from sticking. I don't salt the water because there's plenty of salt in the sauce, which is simmering over here. I just added about a pound of Mahi-Mahi cut up into small pieces, and there's also a 28-inch can of tomatoes, and a can of mackerel, a can of sardines, and some anchovies in here. I also added some leftover sauce from the last time I made pasta with sardines and anchovies. So it looks like the Mahi-Mahi is pretty well cooked. It's been in here a few minutes. I cut it up into small bite-sized pieces like this. So I'm going to turn this off and wait till the pasta is finished. Drain the pasta, then add it to the sauce, and have a great dinner. Follow it up with a salad, a nice glass of red wine, Parmesan cheese on the pasta, of course. I'm grating some blast of the organic parsley. I just noticed today that the mint and oregano is coming back already, and I don't really have time for it today, but normally I'd add some mint and oregano to the pasta as well after it's finished. So I did run out and pick some mint and oregano. I'm going to wash it and pick it, and we'll add it to the pasta. So it's 12 minutes for the pasta. I'm going to add it to the sauce. It's drained pretty well. And what you got to do is spoon it to get everything incorporated. To get out some Parmesan, grated Parmesan, and to finish this off. See the Mahi-Mahi here, beautiful little nuggets of Mahi-Mahi. Wild caught fish. This is from Ecuador, $8.99 a pound at Costco yesterday, where they're doing a lot of social distancing. Had 4 lines going into the store about 2 in the afternoon. About a 15-minute wait. All the cashiers and other employees at the exits are behind plastic shields. They're all wearing masks, rubber gloves. So I don't have much parsley left, but and then the hastily picked oregano and mint, leaving them whole. The mint tends to get bruised when you cut it. This is a beautiful comfort dish of butterfly pasta with sardines, mackerel, anchovies, and Mahi-Mahi in a nice red sauce, Parmesan cheese, organic parsley, and oregano and mint from the garden. Enjoy. Here's to eating well during the pandemic. Stay safe.